Kerala's tourism sector suffered huge losses amidst the COVID pandemic. However, now the government has relaxed some restrictions in the state for tourism sector that proves to be a mild breather for the sector. Here's a ground report.
Kerala's famed houseboats are back on the move. Though COVID cases remain high, the state government has decided to reopen tourist destinations across Kerala, giving backwater tourism a new lease of life. But unlocking comes with many riders. Only those boats with vaccinated staff will be allowed to run. Tourists must either be vaccinated with at least one dose or possess a COVID-19 negative certificate that is not older than 72 hours.
Right now, the government and district administration has given guidelines. We are checking the COVID-19 certificates or RT-PCR tests from the guests, and after that only we are allowing them boarding pass.
So this is just like coming into a hotel room or any other place, maybe even your house. This is how you enter inside. I just stepped in through that area and I've come inside. So this is actually the sit out in a houseboat. So this is going to be more or less the norm in most of the houseboats. There may be some small changes depending upon the category that you're choosing, but still this is more or less the same thing that you would see.
There are COVID checks even in water. The police intercept most of the houseboats, check for boarding passes and ensure COVID-19 appropriate behavior. With the backwaters opening up, tourists are trickling in. Ankur and Ruchi have come from Thane in Maharashtra. They are on their long-delayed honeymoon trip. The couple got married in 2019 but never got the opportunity to travel as pandemic struck.
Actually, people were telling don't come to Kerala, it's all hotspot area. When I actually came here, what I saw was tourist area is almost clean. There is nothing to worry. Wear your mask, use sanitizer, enjoy the ride.
इतने टाइम से घर पे रह रहे हैं तो फिर वो मतलब बहुत हेक्टिक हो गया था घर पे कंटिन्यू एक ही जगह तो फिर इसीलिए हम लोग का अभी एक्चुअली 1.5 ईयर हो गया एंड ये हमारा लाइक एक इतने 1.5 ईयर के बाद एक ट्रिप हुआ है.
While reopening of tourism is good news for boat owners, they are not out of the woods yet. Owners have had to invest lakhs to renovate their boats, which remained idle for more than a year. Houseboats in a state of disrepair is a common sight here. Many are unable to bear the maintenance cost.
To revive this or to repair this is going to cost them lakhs and lakhs of rupees. As the tourism reopens, many people have managed to acquire funds and investments from multiple sources. Maybe they have borrowed to try and repair their vessels and get them back on water. But there are many more who do not have that particular luxury or who do not have the facility to go through that process.
Varun Kumar has been in this industry for nearly a decade. His boat started sinking in May. Rebuilding it will cost him lakhs. Varun says their problems began in 2018 when floods ravaged Kerala. The pandemic added to the pain.
अगर बिजनेस अभी 3 साल हो गया 2018 में इधर प्रलय पानी का प्रॉब्लम हो गया उसके बाद अभी 1.1 साल के ऊपर हो गया कोविड का प्रॉब्लम. इसके कोविड का वजह से 2 महीने हम लोग को छोटा ऑर्डर मिला था नवंबर दिसंबर में लेकिन उसमें कुछ फायदा नहीं है.
During the first wave, the state government had provided a one-time grant for houseboats in Alappuzha. But owners of small boats, which are used by local tourists, were not covered.
After Corona, actually, no help has been given, no support has been given from the authority side, and we are in deep trouble now because it's a budget thing. It's a budget tour for the guest actually.
Onam is around the corner. This is the season of boat races. If things were normal, Kerala would have been entering peak tourist season. Hotels in the region would have been full, but not this time.
Last 1.5 years, there is, Alapi means, this is a backwater tourism sector. There are even our own people, Keralites, they want to come out. There is a lot of restrictions.
After nearly 1 year of struggle, Kerala's tourism is all set to be on the path of revival. The backwaters of Alappuzha are gaining momentum as tourists start trickling in from both within and outside Kerala. With camera person Tinku Rajshegaran, Gopikrishnan in Alappuzha for India Today.